Welcome to Brainetainment, your hub for engaging information designed to stimulate your intellect and curiosity. Here we strive to blend education with entertainment, serving up a delightful cocktail of knowledge on a myriad of topics. From unraveling the mysteries of the universe to delving into the intricacies of human health and wellness, we leave no stone unturned. Our goal? To keep your brain buzzing with fascinating facts and insightful information. Today we delve into the world of oral health, specifically discussing foods to avoid after teeth whitening. You've just left the dentist's office with a dazzling white smile after a teeth whitening procedure. Now what? Well, it's time to talk about the importance of teeth whitening aftercare. You see, the moment you step out of the dentist's office, your journey to a long-lasting bright smile is only half complete. The next steps you take are crucial in preserving the radiance of your smile. Aftercare is not just about maintaining the aesthetics of your teeth. It's about protecting your investment. Teeth whitening procedures are not exactly pocket change, and to get the most out of your investment, aftercare is key. Now you might be wondering, what does aftercare entail? It's not as complicated as it sounds. A significant part of aftercare involves being mindful of your diet, specifically the foods you consume. The food and beverages you take in can greatly impact the results of your teeth whitening procedure. Some foods can stain your newly whitened teeth, while others can cause sensitivity or even damage. For instance, dark-colored foods and beverages, acidic foods and sugary treats can all pose a threat to your dazzling smile. But don't worry, it's not all doom and gloom. With the right knowledge and a bit of discipline, you can navigate through these potential pitfalls and keep your smile sparkling. To maintain those pearly whites, there are certain foods you should steer clear of, at least for a while. First on our list of foods to avoid are dark-colored foods and beverages. Now, we all love a good cup of steaming coffee to kickstart our day, or perhaps a glass of red wine to wind down in the evening. But did you know that these beloved beverages could potentially be your teeth's arch nemesis after a whitening procedure? Take coffee, for instance. Its dark pigment can seep into the pores of your teeth, causing them to yellow and dull over time. The same goes for red wine, which is not only dark but also acidic, a double whammy for your newly whitened smile. They might be delightful on the palate, but they are not so delightful for your pearly whites. And it's not just beverages we're talking about here. Dark-colored foods, particularly those with intense colors and strong flavors, can have the same effect. Think of soy sauce, balsamic vinegar, or blueberries. These foods are rich in color, and their pigments can easily stick to your teeth, leading to staining and discoloration. Now, we're not saying you should give these up forever. After all, life is to be enjoyed, and these foods and drinks are part of what makes our culinary experiences so rich and varied, but it's all about balance. After a teeth whitening procedure, it's recommended to avoid these for at least 48 hours, giving your teeth a chance to strengthen and rehydrate. Even after this period, it's a good idea to consume these foods and drinks in moderation and to practice good oral hygiene. Brushing your teeth or rinsing your mouth after consuming these can help minimize their staining effects. Knowledge, as they say, is power. And knowing what foods and drinks can impact the whiteness of your teeth can help you make more informed choices. After all, maintaining that sparkling smile is a commitment, and every little bit helps. Remember, if it can stain a white shirt, it can stain your newly whitened teeth. So, think twice before indulging in that cup of coffee or that plate of spaghetti with marinara sauce. Your dazzling smile will thank you. Next, we have acidic foods. Acidic foods, as delicious as they might be, are not the best companions for your newly whitened teeth. Now, you might be wondering why. Well, the answer lies in the power of acid. It's a formidable force that can erode the hard, protective layer of your teeth known as enamel. Let's take a closer look at this. When you consume acidic foods, such as citrus fruits or vinegar-based dishes, the acid attacks your teeth. This attack leads to a process called demineralization. In simpler terms, it's a battle between your enamel and the acid, where the acid is slowly wearing away the enamel's mineral content. Now you might think, well, I have strong teeth, they can handle a little acid. But here's the catch. After a teeth whitening procedure, your teeth are more susceptible to damage. The whitening process can leave your teeth more porous and sensitive, making them an easy target for the acid in your food. And what happens when your enamel is eroded? It can lead to tooth sensitivity. You know that sudden sharp pain you feel when you have ice cream or a hot drink? That's tooth sensitivity. It occurs when your enamel is worn down and the nerves in your teeth are exposed to extreme temperatures. So imagine having that discomfort every time you have your favorite citrus fruit or vinegar-based salad dressing. It's not a pleasant thought, is it? Beyond the discomfort, enamel erosion also opens the door to tooth decay. Yes, the acid in your food can potentially lead to cavities, especially when your teeth are already vulnerable after a whitening procedure. So while a glass of fresh orange juice might be tempting, think twice before indulging. Your teeth will thank you for it. It's not about giving up these foods forever, but rather being mindful of when and how often you consume them. After all, moderation is key, and your dental health is worth it. Sugar, while sweet, can be a bitter enemy to your newly whitened teeth. Let's dive a bit deeper into this. Sugar is a common ingredient that many of us enjoy in our foods and drinks, from the delightful sweetness of a glazed donut to the refreshing fizz of a soda. However, when it comes to maintaining the health and brightness of your newly whitened teeth, indulging in these sugary treats could be detrimental. Our mouths are home to a myriad of bacteria, some of which are not so friendly. These bacteria thrive on the sugars we consume, breaking them down into acids. These acids then wage war on our teeth, attacking the tooth enamel, which is the shiny, protective outer layer of our teeth. Over time, this acid assault can lead to tooth decay and cavities, both of which can compromise the health and appearance of your teeth. But it's not just the obvious culprits like candies and sodas that we need to be wary of. Sugar is a sneaky ingredient that can find its way into seemingly harmless foods and drinks. Take, for instance, your morning latte or that healthy granola bar you snack on during your break. Without realizing it, you could be feeding those harmful bacteria a feast of sugar, setting the stage for potential dental issues down the line. And let's not forget the impact on your teeth whitening results. Consuming high-sugar foods and drinks can lead to increased tooth sensitivity, especially in the days following your teeth whitening treatment. This sensitivity can make your daily oral care routine uncomfortable and even deter you from maintaining proper oral hygiene, putting your pearly whites at risk. It's important to remember that moderation is key. It's not about completely eliminating sugar from your diet, but rather being mindful of your consumption. Opt for sugar-free or low-sugar alternatives when possible, and ensure to maintain a consistent and thorough oral hygiene routine. So, it might be a good idea to skip that candy bar or soda for a while. In conclusion, your diet plays a significant role in maintaining the results of your teeth whitening procedure. It's a critical piece of the puzzle, tying together the efforts of your dentist with your personal commitment to a whiter, brighter smile. Let's jog our memory back through the key points we've discussed. We've taken a deep dive into the world of dark-colored foods and beverages. Remember, these can stain your newly whitened teeth. Coffee, red wine, dark berries, soy sauce, and even certain types of tea. These are all culprits that can dim your dazzling smile. It's not about completely cutting out these foods and drinks, but rather about moderation and making sure to brush your teeth thoroughly afterwards. We also explored the realm of acidic foods. These include citrus fruits, tomatoes, and fizzy drinks, among others. The acid in these foods can weaken your teeth's enamel, making them more susceptible to staining. Again, it's about balance and proper dental hygiene. Enjoy these foods, but be mindful of their potential impact on your teeth. Sugar was another key player we discussed. Sugary foods and drinks, such as candies, chocolates, and sodas, can lead to tooth decay and discoloration. It's important to limit your sugar intake and brush your teeth regularly to combat this. In essence, maintaining your teeth whitening results is a lot like maintaining a healthy lifestyle. It's about making informed choices, practicing moderation, and maintaining good oral hygiene. Your teeth are not just a part of your appearance, but also a testament to your overall health. And remember, if you have any doubts or questions, don't hesitate to consult with your dentist. They're your best ally in this journey towards a whiter, brighter smile. Thank you for tuning in to Brainetainment. Remember to subscribe for more enlightening content. Keep that smile bright.